Hey children, welcome. Today we are going to learn about adverbs. Okay, so let's first learn. In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Now let's go and see what is its role. Adverb, basically adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. So when you are having an adjective, we commonly we use the adverbs from the adjectives. Like if we say he is a kind boy, she is a happy girl, this is a wonderful scene, so kind, happy and wonderful, loud, sad, beautiful, these all are the adjectives. But we can form adverbs from these adjectives by using ly at the end of the word. That is, kind becomes kindly, happy becomes happily, wonderful becomes wonderfully, loud becomes loudly, sad sadly, beautiful beautifully, sweet sweetly. Many adverbs end with ly. You can make these adverbs by using ly to the adjectives as I explained you just now. Note that some words that end with ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end with ly too. Now, for example, Sam was feeling very lonely. That she was wearing a lovely dress. It was very lively party. If you see these words which are ending with ly, it is not the adverbs. Maybe it can be the adjectives also. Now let us go to kinds of adverbs. That is, adverb of manner. It describes in which the action is done, and place where it is done, time when it is done, frequency how many times it is done, purpose or reason what is the reason of that action. So if we go back, we are going to learn about kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency and adverb of reason or purpose. For adverb of manner, what does it describe? Which manner the action is done. And place, can anyone say me what is the meaning of adverb of place? Where an action is done. Time, when an action is done. Frequency, how many times an action is done. And purpose, what is the reason of the action to be done. Now there are more two kinds of adverbs, that is quantity or degree and the affirmation or negation. That means for quantity it shows how much or in what degree the action is done, and affirmation or negation whether if it is saying yes or it is saying no. Now let us go to adverb of place. Some adverb or adverb phrases where the question is where. When you ask the question where, you will get the answer as adverb of place. That means the boys are playing upstairs. Where are the boys playing? The boys are playing upstairs. Upstairs is the answer. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? In the garden. We are going to New York City on our school trip. Where are you going on your school trip? New York City. It is very sunny but cold outside. Where is it cold? It is cold outside. So if you ask the question where and get the answer, that is called as adverb of place. Here are also some adverb of places. I have lived here for about 2 years. Where have you lived for 2 years? Here. English and German are closely related. How are they related? They are closely related. It is Mark still on bed? Where is a Mark? Still on the bed. His children go everywhere with him. Where they go? They go everywhere. Now let us go to adverb of manner. Some adverb or adverb phrases describe the way the people do. Okay. Now the girls answer the questions correctly. In which manner they have answered? They have answered correctly. He was driving carelessly. How was he driving? Carelessly. The plane landed safely. How did the plane land? Safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. How does Ramu play the guitar? skillfully. So if you see the answer, if you ask the question in which way and you get the answer, that is adverb of manner. They washed carefully, the flower was beautifully made up, she seemed faintly, and the team played wonderfully. Carefully, beautifully, faintly, wonderfully, these all are the adverbs of manners. Now, adverb of frequency here, if you are asking the question that how often an action is done, some adverb and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done, that is called as adverb of frequency. That means the children always go to school on bus. How often the children go to school on bus? They go always. I will never make the mistake again. How often am I going to make the mistake? I'm not going to mistake, and I will never make the mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. How often do you clean your bedroom? Every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. How often dad polishes his shoes? Twice a week. Now let us go to adverb of time. Now adverb of time, see if we read this, we shall now begin to work. So when are you going to begin your work? Now. He called few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. Mr. Gupta formerly lived here. So if you ask the question when, you will get the answer as adverb of time. So these are few kinds of adverbs. We will learn more about it in the coming sessions. Hope you enjoyed and understood. So I'll be coming up with more adverbs, kinds of adverbs and examples in the next sessions. Thank you and have a nice day.